Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making sweet potato pie. You will need 3 pounds of sweet potatoes, 1 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 4 eggs, 1 cup of butter, 1 tablespoon of self-rising flour, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/8 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 2 deep dish pie crusts. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, then place your sweet potatoes in the oven and allow them to cook for 50 minutes. After 50 minutes, remove them from the oven, then allow them to cool for 10 minutes before trying to remove the skin. Place your potatoes in a mixing bowl, start mixing on medium-low, then add your butter. Now add the eggs and milk. Now pour in the almond extract and vanilla extract. Add the granulated sugar and brown sugar and continue to mix. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now add the flour, salt, nutmeg, ginger, and cinnamon, then mix until well combined. Now pour your pie filling into your pie crust. Transfer your pies to an oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees, then allow them to cook for 1 hour. Remove your pies from the oven, then place them on a cooling rack. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.